Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Alan here from Dicky Details. I hope you guys are doing well. Now in this video I want to talk about two products that I like to use. It's Zero Decon shampoo from Garagetherapy and C2V3 sealant from Gtechniq. Now on this vehicle here, the BMW X6, I've applied a ceramic coating about 6 months ago. Now this vehicle has been washed a couple of times, but I haven't used any topper like a wax or sealant. So that's why sometimes ceramic coatings tend to get clogged if they're not properly maintained. That's why I like to use Zero Decon shampoo from Garagetherapy to give a nice refresh to that ceramic coating. Now we're going to start to clean the wheels, and I'm going to use a product from Polished Pigs, a wheel cleaner. It's a very good product. It's dilutable, so easy to use. It does the job. These alloys didn't need any iron fallout, so it's perfect for this task. Now as I'm going to rinse off the vehicle, then I'm going to use this Prewash Garagetherapy Zero Decon shampoo. We'll put into the snow foam lance bottle 40 milliliters of the product and 450 milliliters of warm water. Now you can watch the water behaviour on the bonnet. It looks like it's got no protection whatsoever, but wait and see guys. Started with a pre-wash stage. I'm going to add 40 milliliters of Zero Decon shampoo on top of the 450 milliliters of warm water and a snow foam lance bottle. Now I'm going to leave that to dwell for a good 5 minutes after I spread it all over the car. I'm going to rinse it off. Right guys, so you can see I'm using the snow foam lance from MJJC. If you guys are interested in buying one of these snow foam lances, I'm going to put a link in the description below. I've even done a review on my YouTube channel. Just press that banner up there. It's a very good quality snow foam cannon, as the Americans call it, or snow foam lance, same thing anyway. So check out the link below guys. Now the Zero Decon shampoo has been dwelling there for a good 5 minutes. I'm just going to rinse it off, and then I'm going to start with manual wash with a 2-bucket method. The quick tip guys, make sure when you do the pre-wash on the normal manual wash, make sure you don't do it in direct sunlight. Well, Zero Decon shampoo is actually good for stripping down the old waxes or sealants before you want to apply a new one. But in this case, it's very good to give a good refresh to a clogged ceramic coating. Now we'll start with the manual wash, 2-bucket method. Yeah, that's me smiling over there. I'm enjoying it, I have to admit. Plenty of suds, plenty of lubricants. Oops, lubricants. And now for the manual wash, I've used 50 millilitres of the product into a bucket with 22 litres of warm water roughly. Here's a little quick tip, guys. Now it started to be a bit windy, so you can see I'm using a bit of water before I'm putting the mitts. You don't want to get any dust particles. If you definitely want to wash your car in a windy day, that's a good trick to do it. After that manual wash, Zero Decon shampoo from Garagetherapy done a great job of getting a nice refresh to our ceramic coating. Take a look, guys. And also you can use these sealants on wheels as well. And don't worry guys, I didn't use the same microfiber towel on windows, car and then wheels. I got separate ones, don't worry. the products that I use here, guys, I'm going to put a link in the description below. Well, thanks very much, guys, for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.